Today we fix a common A2 question word order. Hello everyone. Welcome to English with us. Today we learn about a very common mistake in English questions. Many A2 learners make this mistake. Stops people from understanding you. The mistake is about word order in simple questions. This is very important. When you ask questions correctly, people understand you better. In this lesson, we will learn the correct pattern. We will practice together. By the end, you will feel more confident asking questions in English. Let me show you a real conversation. A student is in a cafe. She wants to ask a question. Listen to this wrong way first. She says, "You do like coffee?" This is wrong. The correct way is, "Do you like coffee? Did you hear the difference?" The word order is different. In the wrong way, you comes first. In the correct way, do comes first. This is the grammar mistake we see all the time. Many learners put the subject before the verb. But in English questions, the verb must come first. This is a very important rule for A2 learners. Now let us learn the rule clearly. In English questions, the pattern is different from statements. A statement is, "You like coffee?" A question is, "Do you like coffee?" The verb comes first. The subject comes second. Then the rest of the sentence. This is the basic pattern for all simple yes or no questions. The auxiliary verb, which means the helping verb, always comes first. Do, does, did, can, will, these go first. Then you put the subject. Then the main verb or object. Let me give you more examples. Does she live here? Not she does live here. Did you see that movie? Not you did see that movie. This pattern is very important for A2. Let us practice now with common A2 questions. These questions are very useful for everyday life. First, do you speak English? This is a simple yes or no question. The auxiliary verb do comes first. Second, did you have breakfast this morning? This uses did because it is past tense. Third, can you help me, please? This uses can as the auxiliary verb. Fourth, will you come to the party? This uses will for the future. Fifth, does he work here? This uses does because the subject is he, a third person singular. Notice when the subject is he, she, or it, we use does or did. When the subject is I, you, we, or they, we use do or did. This is an important rule for making correct questions. Now let us listen to a real dialogue. This happens in a doctor's office. It is a good example of using questions correctly. Doctor: Good morning. Do you feel okay? Patient: No, I do not feel well. I have a headache. Doctor: Did you take any medicine? Patient: No, I did not take anything yet. Doctor: Can you describe your pain? Where does it hurt? Patient: It hurts here. I think I worked too much yesterday. Doctor: Do you have fever? Patient: I do not think so. My temperature is normal. Doctor: Good. I will give you some medicine. Will you rest today? Patient: Yes, I will rest. This dialogue shows you how to use questions naturally and correctly. Notice the doctor's questions. Everyone follows the correct word order pattern. Today we learned one important rule. In English questions, the auxiliary verb comes first. Then comes the subject. Then comes the main verb or object. This is very different from statements. Remember, statement, you like coffee. Question, do you like coffee? This simple change in word order makes your English clear and correct. People will understand you much better. When you use this pattern every time, people will not be confused. Practice this rule with every question you ask. After 1 week, it will feel natural. Keep listening to more English lessons. Repeat the dialogue examples. Ask more questions in English. You are making great progress. Thank you for learning with English with us today. Excellent work today. Remember the key rule, verb first, then subject. Practice this with every question you ask. Listen to this lesson again tomorrow. Each time you will understand more. You are building strong English skills. Keep going. Thank you for learning with English with us. If you want more videos like this, subscribe and follow English with us. See you in the next one.